Bhattacharya here. In this video tutorial, we will look at using a free lightweight JavaScript to design a multi-tier horizontal drop-down menu. The free JavaScript is taken from Michael Legiber's website. It's just about 1.2 KB in size. Here is the demonstration of the horizontal menu in Michael's website. I have used the same JavaScript in my website, as you can see on your screen. As always, I have provided the full HTML code here. Copy the code for your site. Change the dimensions and other parameters to see how they can work for your specific need. Thanks for watching.